Karibu tena guku gwa Kikuyu Daily News na ngikorwo mugeni twika wa gusubscribe niguo tunyitanire na thengio riu guka wanyu wa Nairobi Muthee Kiengei uria uikaine ta Pastor Ben Reverend wa kanitha wa JCM ni arikitie kuhithuria ndeto njega iria itigite Akenya hamwe na mafans make na gikeno kuona kena mutumia wake Mama Asa ni makoretwo maki expect a newborn kuma o riria Pastor Ben akiumburire king'ang'aini ati gwake no wira tunakuga his wife Joycelyn Ngaru niohete nda na ni thabari matirithanĩtie na shirika kanitha wake kuona riria Pastor Ben makiumire kanitha wa AIPC kuria agitungatagira na magikorwo makiambiriria thabari njeru ya kwambiriria kanitha wao mweru wa JCM no rio guciriirie namba nene ya shirika na it is in this new church Pastor Ben agikorirwo akiumbura Mama Asa is expectant na riu thiku nini tu hituku few days ago Kiengei broke the most awaited news ndeto cia mutumia wake gutanahirwo na kana thiku nini tu thutha wake kugia na surprise baby shower iria iragĩtabanirio ni arata ake na Pastor Ben took to social media pages ku announce ndeto ici iria araugire ena attaching story agitaririo uria kena murata wake makirokire thibitari wa Nairobi Hospital kuria magikorire kairetu a white girl with a long cute hair na Kiengei akiuga uria makihutahutagia njuĩrĩ no ya his newborn daughter and today Muthee Kiengei ni arikitie ku reveal ritwa ria kana gaka kao kana gaka kairetu na karia matanahirwo na thiku nini tu hituku na Kiengei through kuhitukira mutambo wake wa Facebook na hithuritie ritwa na kuga presenting to you Baba John Waithera Kiengei akirikia kuhithuria cute name ritwa riria mabatithitie kairetu gaka kao na karia atuite after his lovely mom gaka ariko kana ga gatatu na kairetu gake ga keri giki ari kirathimo kinene na mafans together with his friend makiyumiritie na njira nene na mwanya muno kumwira congratulations to the new dad and to the new mom in turn cia ndeto cia nduhio na gikeno Kiengei and his entire family maki welcome a newborn and a new family member to their family tukiuga congratulations Pastor Ben na Mama Asa na Gakenge Koge na Makai Mele Kikuyu Daily News subscribe